Good morning, children. In this video, I am going to discuss about animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is a scientific management of domestic animals efficiently to obtain food and other useful products from them. Cattle farming is a popular type of animal husbandry. What is the purpose of cattle farming? Cattle farming is mostly done for getting milk, or for plowing the fields, or for transportation of goods. Two types of cattle can be used for cattle farming, cow and buffalo. The Indian breed of cow is known as Bos indicus, and the western breed of cow is Jersey. The Indian breed of buffalo is Bos bubalis. What are milch animals? Milk producing animals are called milch animals. What is meant by draught animals? The animals which do not produce milk and are used for agricultural work, for example, tilling the soil or plowing the field, are called draught animals. Lactation period. The period of milk production between birth of a young one and the next pregnancy is called lactation period. Generally, western breeds of cow have long lactation period and they have the capability of producing more milk. But Indian breeds have the capability to fight against diseases more. We need to take a very good care of domestic animals. So cleanliness is most important. Cleanliness is one of the important factors which should be kept in mind for keeping the animals. Roofed shelter with good ventilation should be provided to them for protection from rain, heat, and cold. Regular brushing of skin of cattle should be done to remove dirt or tick and mites. The floor of the animal's house should be sloping for avoiding waterlogging. Food is another important factor for domestic animals. Animals' food should contain roughage and concentrates. What is roughage? Roughage means the food which mainly contains fibers in it. Animals' food should also contain concentrates. Concentrates means the food containing proteins. Food also should contain micronutrients, vitamins and minerals for enhancing milk production. Animals are also threatened by various diseases. Diseases can cause death and reduce milk production. Parasites can attack the animals. These parasites are small organisms living inside and outside the body of another host organism. Parasites derive nutrition from the body of the host. External parasites on skin of cattle cause skin diseases, and internal parasites like worms cause stomach and intestinal problems, and flukes cause liver problems. Bacteria, virus, different pathogens cause infectious diseases. That means the diseases which are easily transmitted from one organism to another. So animals' life is threatened by diseases and which are caused by parasites and pathogens. Poultry farming. Poultry farming is done for eggs and meat. They both provide protein to our diet. There are two types of poultry birds, broilers and layers. Broiler birds are grown for obtaining meat. They are sent to the market till they attain a definite size after 6 to 8 weeks from their birth. And layers birds are kept only for obtaining eggs. They can be used after 20 weeks when they are capable of laying eggs. Example are poultry birds. Indigenous breeds, Asil, Chittagong, Burosa, etc. Foreign breeds, Leghorn, Black Minorca, etc. Crossbreeding of Indian breeds with foreign breeds of hens are also done to achieve some properties like more and better quality of chicks, low maintenance, and breeding is done to produce dwarf broilers, because feeding cost is the biggest expense in poultry birds. Dwarf broilers need less food, so they can reduce the cost by 30%. Also, they can tolerate high temperature. Poultries are generally efficient converters of the food which is unfit for human consumption, because they eat rice husk or husk of other grains, which are usually not fit for human consumption. But in return, they are giving us quality food, that is eggs and meat containing proteins.